Roller shades are easy to install. In this short video, you'll learn how to install a standard roller shade without a valance. For easiest installation, a cordless screwdriver, drill bits, and a pencil are all you'll need. Before starting, carefully unpack your shades and mounting hardware. Check the printed instructions included with your product to familiarize yourself with the contents of your box. Each end of the roller shade will have its own mounting bracket. With the material hanging behind the roller, match each bracket to the appropriate end to determine which bracket to use on the left and right side of the window. Outside mount shades can be mounted on either the window trim or the wall. While holding your bracket in position, use your pencil to mark where your screws will go. For easiest installation, pre-drill your installation holes where marked. Install each bracket using 2 of the supplied mounting screws per bracket. Next, install the side of the shade with the retractable pin first. Then, connect the other side of the shade into the other bracket. To complete your installation, install the supplied safety clip to keep your cord fairly taut. Finally, test your shade by lowering, then raising it using the lift control. Your shade should operate smoothly within the window opening. And that's it. If you still have any questions about the installation of your shades, just give us a call at 1-800-505-1905.